Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So you want to create a Rakhi design by ChatGPT? So this video is for you. In the ChatGPT you can create Rakhi design. So here in ChatGPT I ask for the prompt for traditional Rakhi design and ChatGPT give me this prompt. You can see here. So just copy this prompt and paste in a new chat and just click the send prompt button. Then ChatGPT made the Rakhi design. So you have to wait a few seconds and you will see the final result. So you can see the final result here. So here is the final result. You can see this is beautifully designed by ChatGPT and you can download it by clicking the download button. So our picture is downloaded. Our Rakhi design by ChatGPT is here. So you can also create this type of Rakhi design by ChatGPT. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you.